Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a GEICO online account in 2025, step by step, and it only takes a few minutes. By the end, you'll be able to access your policy, make payments, and manage everything online with ease. Start by going to the GEICO website at geico.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on Activate Account. Next, you'll need to select your policy type from the drop-down menu, then enter your policy number in the box provided. After that, fill in your date of birth and your mailing zip code. That's the 5-digit code linked to your address. When everything is entered, click Continue. GEICO will then guide you through a few more steps to verify your identity. Just follow the on-screen prompts and provide the required information. And that's it. Once completed, your GEICO online account is ready. From here, you can manage your policy, make payments, update your information, and access all the features GEICO offers, all from your computer or smartphone. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy and practical guides. Enjoy your new GEICO online account.